I just moved in. I'm located in Buckhead, Atlanta, and I just love my place. I just wanted to share with you guys before I start getting furniture. I already kind of have furniture, so I want to just like show you guys what I don't. Well, I just don't have like couches, but I do have like small stuff that makes sense. My room is already furnished because I took my older room and I still kept it in there, so that would look the same, but everything else, it looks different, and my apartment looks different. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys my empty apartment tour. And yeah, I really love my place. It's just so beautiful to me, and I'm just so happy I moved here and found this place for the price I wanted. Well, it wasn't the price I wanted, but I mean, I'm just happy I found this place because other places were just, they were not cutting it. Everybody's moving during this time apparently, so it's like everything is being like taken. All apartments that I wanted that fit my style and how I want it to look, we're kind of gone. So I'm just happy to be here. So if you keep on watching, keep on watching. If you don't. But let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so I don't really have anybody to record anything, so it's really gonna be me recording everything. So it's not gonna be me walking around with you guys. I'm gonna actually hold the camera. But this is the front door. I just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, this is where it's at. Hold on. But before I get into the house, there is a little nook right here for, I guess, like your keys and stuff. And it does have like outlets. I need to take my shoes off because they're so loud. They're literally like these fuzzy shoes, and like they make so much noise. It's not like there's water in them, but there's not. But anyways, it does have these outlets. I don't know why that is there. Hold on, if it focuses. I hate my camera, but I don't know why these outlets are there, because like I don't know what would you put there. Can someone help me? What should I put there? Like a neon sign? I don't know what I would put there that had, I don't know why they put outlets like right there anyways. But anyways, that is the little nook before you get into the apartment. And then we have this coat closet, but every coat closet that I have is automatically Leo's closet, and it has his litter box and his litter, and then it just has some random stuff, like that's his travel bag, and just random stuff that I just put through in there because I like finding a place to put them. But yeah, this is basically Leo's litter box bathroom, basically his separate bathroom, and I just keep it cracked like this so that he can go in and use the bathroom. So it just always looks like this. It's always open like this so he can go and use the bathroom. But yeah, should I start right here? So right here is my, I don't know why it's not focusing, it's pissing me off. Right here is my laundry closet, and it looks like this. I have a washer and dryer, and it's the it's a Whirlpool. It looks like this, and I do have toilet paper and my comforters that I just leave there because, you know, that's my storage basically. And this is, ooh, sorry that's loud, but this is another entry to my bathroom. It basically goes around a big circle, and this is my water heater closet. So it's not really anything, it's pretty much boring. So yeah. So back this way, this is my kitchen. I just love that it's very open and spacious, and I just like that it's like right next to the door. I just like how it looks completely. So I got like a Whirlpool fridge, and I just love this because it's like for homes, like these type of fridges, and it does have like a water thingy, water dispenser and all that. And yeah, and the ceilings are really high, so I can't really reach some of the shelves up here, because let me show you guys how tall it is. It goes all the way up there, so I can never reach the tallest one, but it's still pretty nice. I really like the high ceilings and all that. And right here, you know, we have my little cookie display, you know, my Khloe Kardashian type-ish, and I have my sugar and stuff. I painted those tops black because they were like this bamboo color. And yeah, so next thing I have is my, what is this called? Microwave and my oven. And yeah, this looks so nice right here. I love the cabinet colors because they had a darker color, but I wanted the light gray. So yeah, and here's Leo. Say hi. He just lays out like this. Say hi to the people. So bad. But here is my island. I do have an outlet right here to plug your phone in, and I do have these this is where I put my trash, and yeah, but for some reason they put this little part right here, I guess for you to put those 2 chairs and like it's like a mock table because I don't have room for a dining table, so I guess they put that. But I really hate it so much, so I just put my chairs like this. I mean, it doesn't really look like it's supposed to be like that, but I like it like this. It's just, it looks better to me. I just like that. I don't like the table idea of it. Sorry, the litter box is on the cat litter is on there. I was using it as I stand, but yeah, this is my little thingies. I got those little what are those called? Chargers from Dollar Tree, and it looks so nice. And these are from Amazon. These are from Amazon. I really wanted something glass, but these are like acrylic chairs, and I got this mainly because my cat likes to scratch leather, so I can't get any leather items, so I got this just so that he won't be able to scratch anything. So yeah, but right here is a little wine type area. I don't know how to explain it, but it's for wine. My mom drank all my other wine, but yeah, I just put a bottle there and a few books right there, and yeah, that's mainly that part. And this is like an overview of the kitchen area, and it has like 2 lights right there. Is it 2? Yeah, 2 lights, hanging lights right there, and then a light right there. But I really just love my kitchen overall. It just looks so cute, and I love how nice and sleek it looks. So yeah, the chairs literally complement it. It looks so great over there. And I just have Leo's water bowl. I got some Amazon as well. I think I got everything from Amazon. I just love Amazon, but yeah. Is my living area. This has like blank wall. I don't know what to do right here. Maybe I put a painting or something, but yeah, I do have my brooms and stuff up because I'm supposed to put it up with these hook thingies in the storage closet, but I don't have a drill and I can't do that. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna put my TV and TV stand, and this is also the living area. It's basically not furnished at all. I just have a couple of things that I picked up from Amazon and from like Marshalls and stuff, and this bookcase that I haven't built because this like grooming is so tiring and it hurts my hands, so I really can't do it, but I really love it. So yeah, this rug is from Amazon as well. This is from Amazon. That's from Amazon. The baskets, that's from Marshalls, and the bookcase from Amazon as well. I'll do another video when everything's furnished where I'll put everything down below for you guys so you guys could like, you know, get things. But yeah, these are just a couple of magazines I have so that when I have my table, like my coffee table, I can just put those there. And I have like this little coral reef. I feel like it's for what's it called? A fish tank, but I really like it for like decor. So yeah, I got these frames from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put some pictures in it, and here's Leo again. So over here is my balcony. It's pretty big. I don't know if I want to go out there. It's really hot right now. It's hot in here as well, but let's go out there. So this is my balcony, and I really like it a lot. I don't want to show you guys too much of the view so you guys don't know where I live and stuff like that. I mean, I don't really care honestly because I don't know nobody, but this is the balcony. It's really nice. I really like the view. I specifically asked for a view that is towards the neighborhood instead of towards the courtyard because I didn't want to see people, and like I didn't want to face anybody else's apartment. But this is super cute. I love it. It's so hot I have to go back inside. But yeah, I really like the balcony area. So if I have guests and stuff, we could chill out there. I'm trying to look for a perfect chair set, outdoor set to put out there. But for now, it's just has those little lights and it's basically bare. And here is Leo again. He loves to pop up in the video if it focuses on him. Well, he's gone now. And this is my room. I really don't like my bed anymore. I'm trying to get this other bed, but it's always out of stock in the size I want, which is a 4, because I just don't want to have to buy the mattress over and over again because I already have a full mattress, so I don't want to have to buy another full mattress or queen mattress to fit the queen size that they have available. But I'm waiting for it to come back in stock. But this is my room. It's really high ceilings, as you see, and there's a big window right here that goes all the way up, which I love. I have a mirror right here, which I have to repaint because it's getting real dingy for some reason. Like you can see like the black from underneath it. And yeah, and these are my posters that I had in my other apartment. This is like basically the same layout, but it's just a bigger space basically. It looks better. But yeah, and it does have like this little ledge right here, which Leo loves to stay right here. I already got it dirty with makeup, but Leo loves to stay right here and sleep here. And I love it so much. And yeah, here is my TV area. I really hate that my TV is not in the middle where I could like see it, so I have to turn my TV at an angle just to watch TV, but it's fine. I still love it. I kept my little thingy from Target here, so it's perfectly fine. My TV is kind of old and I don't believe in getting a new TV unless it breaks, so I'm keeping my TV until it breaks down on me. Other than that, it's not getting changed. Here's this blank wall. I don't know what to do with yet, but we'll see soon. I'll figure it out what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know. Next area is this side of the room. It's just the same thing. It's not really anything. You guys seen my room already. It's just in another place with more space. And yeah, it's not focusing. What the hell's going on? Camera, you're supposed to be auto-focusing. Anyways, here we're going to the closet and bathroom. Is my closet. It is very high. I have to use this chair all the time just to get to that or up to my bags and stuff like that. As you see, it goes all the way up. But I really love my closet. I organize things very well and I like it. And I want to put a little picture right there, maybe that says fashion or something. I just like how it has my bags and these boxes over there too. And I try to organize my clothes, but I wear way too many colors for it to be organized, so I did the best I could. And I just put the long stuff on this side, like dresses and stuff like that, and I put just dresses and random stuff. It's just, I tried, I really did, but I mean, I wear colorful clothes, so it's really not gonna be organized. And my jeans are right there. I have my some shoe boxes right here and my dirty camper right there. But that is my closet. I really love it, how big it is and how high it looks. It just makes everything look so nice and put together. And yeah. So right here is like another closet, but I just use it for storage and stuff like that. I put some of my boxes and just like bins that have more clothes in it. And I also have like just random stuff. Like I really don't even know what it, bathing suits are in this bin. Bathing suits are in here too. Oof. But it's just random stuff in this closet, and I don't really care about it, but because it closes and you can hide everything in here. So yeah. And moving on to the bathroom, it looks the same as my other apartments. I have the same curtain, same kind of decor, but it just looks a little bit nicer. It's me, I look fat. But my rugs that I had are too small, so I have to get new rugs. And it's just, yeah, it's really high. I like it. I'm getting really tired out of breath because I'm a fat whore. But I'm meaning to put these up here, these shelves back up here. And really, Leo, yeah, I was gonna be everywhere I'm at. I'm gonna put those shelves back up here, and then I think I'll be done with the bathroom. It's not really special. I do have like a little plant right there, my stuff that I use for myself, and that's about it for the bathroom. And I think that was all. Leo, I don't know why I'm exhausted, but I turned off the AC, so that's why it's so hot in here. And this is the bathroom, the door that goes out back into the kitchen, so I could close this if I don't want, you know, guests to like see my room and stuff like that. I could close that door. But yeah. Watching my video. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Don't bite me. Can you please say bye? I freaking own cat. He's so mean to me. Nobody else, just mean to me. But anyways, if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I get my furniture. It says it's gonna take a month, so hopefully by next month I will have the fully furnished apartment for you guys. But yeah, that was all for the video. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.